Guys, something big is happening at Google. A Nano Banana storm is coming. This image was entirely generated with Nano Banana 2. The interface, the browser, entirely generated with Nano Banana 2. Nano Banana 2 sightings has been confirmed across platforms like media.io. People are saying that both Gemini 3.0 or Nano Banana 2 might be releasing soon. Nano Banana 2 is showing dramatically improved photorealistic image generation capabilities. The preview on media.io demonstrated major upgrades, especially in text rendering, infographics, and internationalization support. This means you can finally generate images with clean readable text, something most AI image generators still struggle with. Guys, before we move on to the next update, I want to take a moment to tell you about our official private SAS Junction WhatsApp and Telegram community where we share latest AI news, exclusive prompts, in-depth AI tutorials and much more. If you want to stay ahead in the AI game, make sure to join our exclusive AI community. The link is right there in the description below. Alright, here is a partnership that nobody saw coming. Perplexity AI is paying Snapchat $400 million to become the default AI search engine inside Snapchat's messaging interface. Starting in January 2026, Snapchat's 940 million users will be able to search for information and get AI-powered answers without ever leaving their chats. Guys, think about it. You are chatting with your friends about where to eat and boom, you can just ask Perplexity AI right there in the conversation and get instant answer. No more app switching, no more interruptions. Perplexity CEO Arvind Srinivas said it perfectly. Millions of people connect and discover the world through Snapchat. By bringing Perplexity to Snapchat, we are able to serve that curiosity directly where it occurs. This is a massive play to get AI search in front of Gen Z users who basically live in Snapchat. The deal mixes cash and equity and it's going to start generating revenue in 2026. Google's NotebookLM just became every student's dream tool. The mobile app now has AI generated flashcards and quizzes that you can create from any uploaded material. But wait guys, there is more. The context window is now 4 times larger, the conversation memory is now 6 times longer and overall chat quality is 50% better than before. Here's how it works. You upload your study materials, lecture notes or whatever you are learning and NotebookLM can instantly turn them into personalized flashcards and quizzes. You can customize the difficulty, the number of questions, and even which sources to pull from. The update also lets you tell NotebookLM to act as an important professor or analyze your materials from a different perspective. It's like having a personal Twitter powered by Google's latest Gemini models, and it's available for free on both iOS and Android starting this week. This is a big news for students and they are literally celebrating everywhere right now. For all the designers and content creators out there, this one's for you. Freepik launched Spaces on November 4th and it's basically an infinite canvas that brings together all their AI tools in one place. Imagine having an image creation, video creation, audio tools, upscaling and editing all connected to a visual node-based workflow system. You can see your entire creative process laid out on one canvas. You can literally create an entire workflow of your video, of your images. It supports real-time collaboration so your entire team can now work together on the same space simultaneously. This could literally replace 5 or more separate apps in your creative workflow. The interface uses nodes. Each one represents a step like a prompt, a transformation or an output. You can connect them together and watch your ideas come to life. Guys, this is also a big one. OpenAI has been busy. GPT-5 officially released back on August 7, 2025, but now we are hearing about the entire GPT 5.1 family preparing for launch. We are talking about GPT 5.1 base, GPT 5.1 reasoning and GPT 5.1 Pro all spotted in ChatGPT's production code. The expected release date is November 24. These models are expected to bring significant improvements in reasoning capabilities and performance across the board. Claude just got a lot smarter about remembering who you are. Anthropic rolled out the memory feature to all Pro and Max subscribers on October 23rd. What this means is Claude can now remember context across weeks or even months of conversations. You have full control over what it remembers and what it forgets. This is huge for productivity because you don't have to keep repeating yourself or re-explaining your preferences and working style every time you start a new chat. Also guys, Grok has rolled out a new update in their Grok Imagine. The text to video is now on Grok Imagine, which means you can directly create an image from just a text prompt. The videos has been improved a lot. The motion, the feel and the aesthetics are now similar to Midjourney's aesthetics. You have heard that right guys. Grok is being updated on a lightning speed. And finally guys, this is big. Gemini 3.0 Pro has been spotted on Vertex AI in early November. That's absolutely massive. It is expected to launch sometime this month, positioning itself as a direct competitor to GPT 5.1. Google's clearly not holding back. So guys, we might see GPT 5.1, Google's Gemini 3.0 Pro, Nano Banana 2. So there you have it guys. These are the massive updates from this week. Also guys, these are some of the most amazing updates of this week. Perplexity Comment Android Beta, the agentic browser assistant which we are using from a long time, is now rolling out in November 2025. There is an update on Microsoft Copilot Shopping released on November 8th. Updates like Black Friday price tracking features. Also, GTA 6 has received another delay and the new release date is of November 19th, 2026. Guys, also if you are obsessed with AI and want to learn AI, do follow our private official SaaS Junction Telegram and WhatsApp community. We share latest AI updates, AI tools, AI tutorials, exclusive prompts and much more. Do join our channels. The links are in the description below. So guys, what story surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and if you find this valuable, hit that subscribe button because AI news moves fast and we will keep you updated every single week. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.